We were sent this full security camera kit for our review, and we're super excited. Eufy makes incredible security cameras. Let's check out this box. Right out of the box, you have the home base. And the home base is really interesting because you can add an SSD hard drive right here to gather all of your information, all your data, all that footage. Really, really powerful. And this is the brains of the operation. This will control all of the cameras that come in this kit. And speaking of camera, this is the little thing. Look at this. Beautiful 4K camera. There's something so special about it. Right at the top, there's a solar panel. That's right. No power, no cables, no nothing is needed. Solar powered, Wi-Fi capability. You are not running any cables. All the hardware that is needed is provided in the box, so you can attach it to any structure on your house, have it outside. It is IP67 waterproof. So, you're really ready to go. And then connect everything through here onto that home base. You see everything on your phone. You are good to go. And these come in a 4-pack. This is the best starter kit if you want to secure your home with some security cameras all over that are completely wire-free. And the other kicker too, and this is a surprise for many, there is no subscription fee. Everything can be done locally. You do not have to pay a monthly fee. This is all in the box, ready to go for you.